Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Quadratic Equations. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. Here the given question is, find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist using the quadratic formula. And the given equation is 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now here there are two things. One is we are going to use the quadratic formula and find out the quadratic equations, or I can say we can find out using the quadratic formula. We need to find out the roots of the x. And the other thing that they have given is if they exist. So this is one of the most important thing that we should see while working on the quadratic equation. Now if they exist means we should put a check like whether b square minus 4ac is less than 0 or greater than equal to 0. And we very well know that if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there do not exist any real roots of x. So this is what we need to keep in mind while moving ahead. In any case, we should get b square minus 4ac is greater than equal to 0, then only we can move ahead and solve the quadratic equation. Else, if we get b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then we will simply say that there are no real roots exist for this equation as per quadratic rule or quadratic formula. This is what we should always keep in mind. Instead of wasting time, we should first check any of the given quadratic equation. If we get in the examination, first check using this rule b square minus 4ac what we are getting. Always it should be greater than equal to 0. If it is less than 0, then simply stop there and say that this equation do not have any real roots. Now let me put down the question here. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. The question here is 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now the question asked us to solve the equation using quadratic formula. So what is a quadratic formula? Let me first of all write down the quadratic formula here. Quadratic formula, I believe by this time we all are clear about the quadratic formula. So let's see. Quadratic formula is represented by x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac root over upon 2a. So guys, this is our quadratic formula. Quadratic formula says that x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now let us see how we are using this formula, how we are going to solve this quadratic equation. Now if you look at this quadratic equation, here we can say that a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 2. Hope guys we understood these things, how we got this value. These are the coefficients of x. So here the coefficient of x square is 3, b is equal to minus 5 and c is a constant term 2. That is what we are taking here. Now let us put these things, or let me first of all find out b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is equal to, here b is equal to minus 5. So I can take minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a. 4 into a is 3 into c. c is 2. Or I can say b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5 square whole square is 25. Minus 5 into minus 5 is plus 25. Then minus 4 3 is 12, 2 is 24. So we are getting 25 minus 24, that is equal to 1. So what we got guys? We got b square minus 4ac is equal to 1. Now let us put these values in our quadratic formula and see what are the things that we are getting. Here quadratic formula says that x is equal to minus b. Here b is minus 5. So I can write minus 5 because we are taking minus b, plus or minus root over of b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac we got 1. So simply I can take root over of 1 by 2a. This is 2a, and 2a is nothing but again a the value of a is 3. So I can straight say that 2 into 3. Or I can write x is equal to minus 5 is nothing but plus 5. So minus into minus 5 becomes plus 5, plus or minus root over 1 is 1 by 6. So guys, we got x is equal to plus or minus 1 by 6. Now I can write the two quadratic equations here. This x is equal to 5 plus or minus 1 by 6. So I can write one as x is equal to 5 plus 1 by 6, and the other one is x is equal to 5 minus 1 by 6. Hope guys till here we are pretty clear, because we got x is equal to 5 plus or minus 1 by 6. So this plus or minus I am taking 2 times, one is plus and one is minus. So that is what I did here in the next step. X is equal to 5 plus 1 by 6, and the other value of x is equal to 5 minus 1 by 6. Now let us solve this. Or I can write x is equal to 6 by 6, or we can say x is equal to 1. Similarly, here x is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4 by 6, or I can say x is equal to 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. So guys, the two values of x that we got here is, one is x is equal to 1 and the other one is x is equal to 2 by 3. Hope guys you understood this calculation or this process. This is very simple and very straightforward. So always use the quadratic formula. Wherever it has asked, use the quadratic formula and solve this equation. And guys, by this time we know there are three formulas. One is quadratic formula, one is completing the square formula, and one is by factorization method. Unless and until it asks you to use any of the formula, you can use any formula that you feel comfortable, and you can move ahead and find the quadratic equation. But specifically, if question asks us to use any of the formula, then you need to use that specific formula and find. Otherwise, you move ahead with the formula that you feel comfortable. Guys, hope this is pretty clear, but still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.